Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss how to set up a account on Sonar Cloud, how to set up the quality gate, code coverage, and all these things in the Sonar Cloud and integrate in the Jenkins CI pipeline. In this also, the SLI index also I will be setting it up. Okay. So first of all, you should have a GitHub account to do that thing. If you have the GitHub account available, then you can proceed with the scenario. So you will go to the Sonar Cloud. Okay, Sonar Cube Cloud, and there is a trial things available. Log in with your GitHub and do these things. We will be analyzing the Java source code in this. So authorize the Sonar Cloud and provide the access to your Git repository. So I have my own Java source code repository is there, which I mapped it, and I am doing this thing. Then I will import the like you will go and install the Sonar Cloud plugin onto the GitHub, and that once you authorize this thing is done. Once the installation is done, they can go and access your things. Now, three things are required to do the Sonar analysis using the command line or using the Jenkins CI pipeline. One is project key, second is organization key, and third is token. So we will be generating these three things from here. So you once the project is mapped, then you can go and write the project key. Project key generally user will be defining it out. So you can write anything, which I have done it here. Then I am generating the token. Top right hand side, the key option is coming, that is organization key. Click on my account, top right hand side, my account, administration, security, and you can generate the token. These three things are required to analyze the things. But before that, you need to set up the SLI index, site service level indicators, what kind of like things you want to cover it. So quality gate, you need to set it up like code coverage. If it is less than 50%, it should be marked as fail. Or maybe the vulnerability index, you can set it up. I can show you in this SLI things. This is my Sonar Cloud account. Okay. And if you go here and right hand side, these are my projects. I click on one of the project, and here if I click on this, and you can go and do the quality gate. Okay, this quality gate help you to set it up the SLI index, that size, that SLI means service level indicators, like what parameter you want to consider it, and how is this thing is do how this thing should be giving the result. So I mentioned that code coverage, if it's less than 50%, it should mark as fail. Other quality gates are also there. You can add the condition, and you can search the matrices like conditional coverage, line coverage. All these things are there. So generally, this particular CI we have used the code coverage, or code smells is also there. So code smell is basically proactively you are finding the issues which can be uh, like currently they are not reported as a bug or issue, but it can be a futuristic issue in your product. So that is code smell. So you can go and set all these parameter for your SLI index. So code smell is there, then code coverage is there, then line coverage is there, uncovered conditionals are there. So lot of what do you say, the SLI index are available there, which you can set it up. Here in this example, what I did it, I have set it up the coverage thing, and once I set it up, I can trigger the things using my Jenkins CI pipeline. Generally, we will be taking through our Jenkins CI pipeline. So in the Jenkins CI pipeline, I'll just show you how I did it. Sorry, not this one. This this is the one. Okay, correct. That is the one, right? Just give me a second. So Jenkins CI pipeline, what you will be doing it, you will be mentioning that thing, that okay, how the code coverage will happen. So if you go here under the Jenkins CI pipeline, I'll just show you my Jenkins file. Okay, the last segment, we are installing the Sonar CLI, Sonar Scanner CLI. Once this is installed, we are running this thing, this command Sonar Scanner. We are providing that, as I mentioned, the project key, the organization key, and the quality gate, that is like we have already set it up. And whatever quality gate as a part of SLI index you are setting it up, like code coverage, code smell, all these parameter which you are setting it up, you can mention it under this in your quality gate, and that you need to make it default. How you will make it default? You will go here under this code coverage section, and sorry, you will go under the code coverage section, and then you will be able to find it out that okay, how you can set it up. So here this one. So you, okay, I'll just show you that, okay, this is my one which I have set it up and I made this as a default. So you need to make this thing as a default if you want to make your SLI index, SLI thing as a part of default Sonar scanning things. Okay, so whenever Sonar will go and scan it, you need to see that whether the code coverage, code smell, how many code smells must be there, what should be reported, where it should mark the report as failed, and all this condition you will be applying it out here. So these things you need to set it up using the quality gate, and that will help you out to check the particular thing using the CI pipeline. Okay, now let's get back to the pipeline again. Okay, this is organization key, project key, and last part is that the Sonar login. This is the token which we are using it. When I will trigger this particular pipeline, you'll find that report will be already generated automatically, and it will be published onto my cloud as well. And as well, you can see it under the particular tool as well. Okay, so you can see that whether it is passed, failed, reliability parameter, how many like security issues, reliability, maintainability, coverage part, everything they are covering it out, whether the report is pass and fail. So all these things will come under the SLI. They see code coverage section is coming, duplication section is coming. So duplication is like any kind of code optimization is not done, you can find it out here. Okay, so all these indicators are there. Main thing is you need to set up the code quality, code quality gate, and that will help you out to set up the things. Thanks for joining the session. Thank you.